Good morning, everybody. Papa Knows stuff here. I got an unboxing for a preventative maintenance project that I'm going to want to do within the next couple of days. And what I have here is a condensate pump. I'll show you the cover. This is going to be from my boiler. And if you haven't seen the recent video that I put up of me changing a high vent valve on my boiler that went tragically wrong, but it all worked out in the end. I'll leave a link to this in the description, or you can search for it. This condensate pump is a VCMA-15, and I'm going to show you how it looks coming out of the box and what it contains. Now, it comes with 20 feet of tubing, which I'm going to replace the tubing from my old condensate pump because it's aged and yellow. The reason I'm changing this is that the condensate pump that's in there right now has been there for about 13 years. And it's starting to get loud when it works, and I don't want it to quit one of these days and end up with water on the floor, because you all know what that's like. All right. There's some kind of a plug. Plug one of the holes if you don't need it. And the pump itself. And there's another plug in here. Okay. So on this right here, what you're looking at, this is a check valve, which means it's only going to send water up, and then the water cannot drain back down in here, which makes a lot of sense. I'm not sure exactly what this is. There's a piece of cardboard in there for some reason, but we're not going to need that. So sometimes you only have one thing in your condensate pump, so you can put a plug in it. In my case, I'm going to have the hose attached to this. I'm going to have my pressure valve relief from my water heater going in here, and the boiler is going to go over here. So I will need to plug at least one of these holes up, and that's exactly why I have that. Okay, so this is the pump. There's a 3-foot cord on here that's going to actually plug into the boiler. Somehow I'm going to have to mount this on the wall. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do that yet. I guess I could set it on the floor, but the current one is mounted on the wall. Worst case is I'm going to have to find a way to, oh yeah, right here. There's screw mount. There's some screw mounts right here. You can see them. So somehow, I don't know how the one I have now is, but worst case I'm going to have to drill a couple of holes in the wall, put some anchors in, and then hang this on the wall. But no matter what, we'll figure it out and get it done safely without any leaks. So that's the presentation of the condensate pump. Probably within the next day or two, I will get this installed and have a complete how-to on how to get this up and running. The plugs go back in here, and the tubing will go back in here, and that'll be all wrapped up and ready to go for the project. Okay. So thanks for taking a minute to watch the unboxing. And again, this is the product, and I'll leave a link for it in the description below. Thank you.